Hi y'all, my name's Kevin. Welcome to our channel, The DIY Yacht Guy. The purpose of this channel is to demystify owning a yacht and yacht maintenance, and also to help people avoid stepping up from a 25 to a 35 to a 45-foot boat to eventually get to the boat they want. The goal here is to help you jump straight into the boat you want by buying your last boat first. To help you with that, we're going to have a series of videos and articles and how-tos and maintenance and all of those different kinds of content for you. We're actually going to drop the first 4 videos at once: how to drive a big boat, how to launch and anchor a big boat, and then also how to dock a big boat. And then subsequently, we're going to do our first talk on why to buy your last boat first and how it makes sense. And so we'll drop those first 4 videos at once, and then we'll have another video every Friday going forward after that, helping you learn how to get into the hobby of yachting and not spend a whole lot of time playing with smaller boats and getting right onto the boat you really want to be on. We look forward to having you as part of the community. Please hit like, subscribe, and smash the bell so you get notified of the new videos, and we look forward to having you as part of the community.